How to download Adobe After Effects free trial in 2025. To get started, head down below this video and click on the link. That's going to take you across to the official Adobe website. Then we're going to head up to the top left-hand side, click on Creativity and Design, and under Featured Products, we're going to select View All Products. Now we can scroll down and find After Effects. There it is there. Once you've found it, you can click on it, and this is going to take you across to the official After Effects page on the Adobe website. Now here you can check all the amazing features we're going to get access to inside of Adobe After Effects, and you can go through everything that they've added to the program. That's so amazing. You're going to be able to set text and graphics in motion. You can design dynamic 3D animations, and you can create jaw-dropping effects in your videos. And there's so many more exciting After Effects features that you can explore once we've got access to the free trial. So let's get you that free trial. Click on the free trial button at the bottom. Now there are a few options that are going to open up here. The first that you need to decide is, are you an individual, are you a business, or are you part of the students and teachers? We're going to go with the individuals, and then you can choose between the After Effects only plan or the Creative Cloud All Apps plan. Now if you go the All Apps plan, this is the best value that you're going to get, because you're going to get access to all of the amazing apps inside of the Creative Cloud suite from Adobe, which includes Photoshop, Illustrator, Adobe Express, Firefly, which is the amazing new AR features, and Acrobat Pro. You also get the 100 gigabytes of cloud storage, and you get 1,000 monthly generative credits for that amazing AR that you can use inside of all the programs that are going to save you mountains of time. So we're going to go with the Creative Cloud All Apps option, and then you need to pick a subscription. This is for after the free trial ends, after the 7 days. So there's annual billed monthly, there's the annual prepaid, and there's the monthly option. Now you'll see the monthly option is a little bit more expensive than the annual billed monthly, and these prices might be a little bit different depending on when you are watching this video. But if you want to save money, then go for the annual option, billed monthly. You are committing to a full year, even though it is being billed monthly. If you just want it for a few months, 2 or 3 months, then rather go for the monthly option. You're going to pay more per month, but when you cancel, there is no fee. Whereas with the annual billed monthly, there is a cancellation fee if you cancel early. So we're going to go with the monthly option and then click continue. And the cool thing about the free trial is Adobe lets you try Adobe Stock, which gives you 10 standard assets a month with the 7-day free trial. So we're going to add that in. Now this is an extra cost if you decide to keep using Adobe Stock, but there's some really cool stuff that you can use there. So we're going to add it in to include with the trial. Now make sure that your trial does in fact show due now as 0, so you're getting access to that free trial, and then just check the date that your free trial ends. It's normally the 7-day free trial, so you know the date that you will be billed and the amount that is going to be billed. Once you're happy and you've checked everything, we're going to click the blue continue button, and then in step 2 of 3 we're going to enter your email address and then click the blue continue button, and in step 3 of 3 we're going to enter your payment information. Now that's your credit card information, or you can use PayPal if you prefer that option. You do need to enter this payment information to activate your 7-day free trial. So once you've done that, your Creative Cloud app will start downloading on your computer, and then inside of that Creative Cloud app, you can then download your trial to After Effects. If you get stuck anywhere along the way, if you have any questions about downloading and installing After Effects on your computer, let us know in the comment section down below, and we'll be happy to help you out. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.